Hi, my name is Shafri Berizwan and I will lead first for the presentation. This project is for manufacturing sustainability course subject. So, for our team member, we create a group with 5 teams member for this project. Ilham Shazli, Jainuddin, Adam, Niza and me. For the introduction, this project is about the process of choosing and creating products. For the product that we choose, it can relate to the effects of manufacturing on the economy, ecological, and social sustainability. Other than that, we as a team have to create a sustainable product by implementing design for environment DFE principles. We make a deliberate choice that can reduce harm and improve sustainability. For background, we must identify one food product in Malaysia and we need to select existing product that can change to the new one. So, we choose a Tropicana Twister bottle as our product, then we change it to Tropicana Twister Tetra Pak packaging that can improve in environmental impact, more sustainability, easy to recycle, and good in economic benefits.
The plastic packaging industry, including food and beverages, consumer goods, and e-commerce, causes environmental pollution. They rely on plastic materials for packaging, which leads to harmful waste. Plastic packaging is often not properly disposed of, pollution land, water, and natural habitats. This harms wildlife and ecosystems, especially in our oceans. To reduce those challenges, we need to find sustainable packaging alternatives that improve waste management practices in these industries, which is paper packaging. Paper packaging is a sustainable alternative to plastic packaging. It is made from renewable resources and can be recycled and has a lower environmental impact. Using paper packaging helps enhance brand reputation, attracts eco-conscious consumers, and offers versatility for different products. It feels natural and creates a positive consumer experience. By choosing paper packaging, businesses contribute to sustainability and reduce their environmental footprint.
My name is Ilham Shazli and I will explain about the economical aspect. So, the economical aspect has 3 different factors. First is production, second is service, and third is distribution. So, for first is production. Production refers to the process of transforming from input into output or service product. So for the second one is the services. Services means that perform to meet the needs of the customer. And lastly, for distribution is refers to the from producer to the customer. So the innovation that give economic benefits is first is cost, and then is the lightweight. So for cost is in our project, the cost is benefit because is profit. It benefit because it is efficiency because the packaging is recycled. So for the lightweight Tropicana juice packaging or is lightweight products, it might be financially sensible choice. It is because to minimize their packaging cost and due to the lower production cost.
The social aspect refers to the ways in which individuals, groups, and communities interact, relate, and influence one another within a given context. Paper packaging has positive social aspects. Firstly, it is made from renewable resources, supporting the conservation of forests. Secondly, it creates job opportunities, especially in rural areas. Additionally, it is accessible and affordable for businesses and consumers. Consumers perceive it positively due to its eco-friendly image. Moreover, it promotes education and awareness about responsible practices. By using paper packaging, we contribute to sustainability and support local economies. Plastic packaging has a negative impact on society. It has harmed our health and releasing chemicals into our food. Disposing of plastic is challenging due to inadequate waste management. Causing pollution, it also encourages excessive consumption and hampers recycling efforts. We need sustainable alternatives, better waste management, and consumer education to address these issues. By reducing plastic use, we can create a better and a healthier future.
I will continue the presentation with explaining about the old packaging versus the new packaging. At the left one, it is the old design and that is the filter packaging, and at the right one is the new design and that is the Tetra Pak packaging. As we can see, this is the model graph for Tropicana Twister bottle. The input flows for Tropicana Twister bottle is polyethylene high density granulate PEHD, polyethylene terephthalate granulate PET, polypropylene granulate PP, printing ink, and transport for small lorry. The output flows for Tropicana Twister bottle is transport, municipal waste collection for small lorry, Tropicana Twister bottle, and waste incineration of plastics, including PET, PMMA, PC, and so on. As we can see, this is the environmental impact of our packaging, and that is the bottle packaging one. As we can see, the most environmental impact for the bottle packaging is polyethylene high density granulate, and that is 53.587%. And the lowest one is container glass, and that is 0.597% only. The next slide is about the model graph about Tropicana Twisted Tetra Pak packaging. As we can see, the input flows for Tetra Pak packaging is aluminium foil, paper, polyethylene, printing ink, and also the transport for the small lorry. The output flow for Tetra Pak packaging is transport, municipal waste collection for small lorry, Tropicana Twisted Tetra Pak, and waste paper. As we can see, this is the environmental impact for Tropicana Twisted Tetra Pak packaging. From here, we can see that the highest environmental impact for Tetra Pak packaging is container glass, and it is 77.78%. Following the aluminum sheet production mix, and it is 22.338%. And the lowest one is paper, and it is just 0%. No environmental impact. The next slide is about comparison before and after the improvement. Before, we use the bottle packaging, and after we use the Tetra Pak packaging. Here, we can see the global warming from the bottle packaging is higher than Tetra Pak packaging. The next slide, abatic depletion fossil fuels for bottle packaging is higher than Tetra Pak packaging.
I will present about discussion. For mechanism of proposed design, the mechanism that we choose of proposed design is Tetra Pak. Tetra Pak offer good protection for a wide range of product. It is designed to be lightweight, reducing transportation energy and emission. Tetra Pak is often that provide protection against lead, oxygen, and moisture. Next, emphasize the recyclability of its packaging. For next slide is new product structure, tree, and quantity. For structure tree analysis, in OpenLCA provide a visual representation of the product, life cycle stage, and their interconnection. It allows for a detailed breakdown of the system, including materials, processes, and flow involved in the production and use of the product. For quantity assessment, in OpenLCA involve quantifying the material
energy input and emission associated with each life cycle stage. It is provide information and resource consumption, waste generation and emission of greenhouse gases, air pollution and other substances. Selection of material. The selection material of Tetra Pak packaging is paperboard, polyethylene layer, aluminum foil, and utilize renewable materials. The use of renewable material like paperboard contribute to its environmental profile. Branding and market positioning are also influenced by packaging choice, as different materials convey distinct brand value and message to the consumer.
In conclusion, Tetra Pak packaging offers several environmental advantages compared to the traditional bottle packaging. This is because, first, type of carton packaging made primarily from paperboard, aluminum, and plastic layers. Second, the Tetra Pak lightweight and use fewer materials compared to the bottles. Third, less energy consumption and emits fewer greenhouse gases, leading to the reduced carbon emissions throughout the life cycle of the product. And lastly, paper are more easier to recycle than plastic. Thank you for your attention and subscribe.